I'm Dean Grimster. I'm the General Manager of the Vintage Football Jumper Company, and we're based here in Footscray in Melbourne. We make woolen football jumpers as they were made 70 years ago. We make them for the Australian Football League and as well as for the Wallabies in rugby. Here we use only merino wool from Australia. We dye it, prepare it, cut it, knit it, and make it into jumpers. The authenticity of this product, it's vital that the product is still made in Australia, made out of Australian merino wool, and that's the authentication of the product is absolutely critical to the credibility of the business that we run. Football's Australia's game, so making a product in Australia out of Australian merino wool is critically important to our success. The Australian-made logo is all about knowing that the product is verified and is confirmed as real and made in Australia, and I think we should take great pride in the fact that we are still manufacturing products in Australia like this. There is still a huge demand for Australian-made product. The Australian wool, made in Melbourne with care and love for Australia's games, whether it's rugby union or the AFL, and that's what we're doing here at the Vintage Football Jumper Company.